Hello and welcome to Maths at Home. I'm Tim. Today we're going to look at the two different ways in which we understand numbers. I have some number cards which I've laid out in a line from 0 to 10 and some building bricks. I made the cards by cutting up a cereal box and writing the numbers on the back of the card. I wrote the single-digit numbers on the right of the card, ready for the two-digit numbers, and I underlined the numbers so we know which way up they all go. It especially helps with 6 and 9. Remember that a digit means the numerals from 0 to 9. This is a single-digit number. Made up of the digit 6. And this is a two-digit number made up of the digits 1 and 0. If I collect 6 bricks from the pile and put the others out of the way, I can count the 6 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or put them in a recognisable pattern. And we have 6 bricks. So 6 represents a number of objects, in this case 6. This is called cardinality. You don't need to remember this word, but it does help to understand that one way we understand numbers is by how many we have. In this case, the sixness of 6. The other way we understand numbers is by its position in relationship to other numbers, which is to do with the order of the numbers. This is called ordinality. Again, you don't need to remember this word, but understanding that this is different to cardinality helps us when we're working with our children. So I've taken this number 6, and it comes between 5 and 7 in a number line. 6 comes after 5, and 6 comes before 7. Why is this important? It's because we use both these ways of using number as our mathematical understanding develops. In schools, children will use objects to represent larger numbers, such as cubes and sticks, cardinality, and number lines, such as from 0 to 100, ordinality. We find that some children prefer one way of understanding number rather than the other. As we work with our children at home, it's important we use both. And even if your child prefers one way, it will be helpful to understand the other way as well. A practical example of this is different weighing scales. Old-fashioned balance scales rely on cardinality by balancing what you are weighing with weights that represent different values. Scales with a dial use ordinality because they are effectively a number line in a circle, with the weights in order around the dial. There are lots of websites to help develop these ideas. Just search for tens and units or number lines. Thank you very much.